y'all, welcome back to the Billy Jack Fishing Show. And we're going just different fishing today. We're going saltwater fishing. Yeah. We're going to go try to catch some mullet. I got my two yahoos in the back. Old Landon Dave Bow, y'all know him. He's bass fishing for number 2 and Landon for number 3. We're going to go catch him.
Awesome.
I got him. What'd y'all do to that mullet? Cut mullet.
We didn't grab it.
You better. Yeah, anyway, hey, that was nice, y'all. I caught me a mullet last time I went casting it, and I cut it up for me to go catfishing with y'all to let y'all see us catch some catfish. And I gave it to them. I feel like I might catch a mullet. Last 2 times I went down, we didn't see the same mullet legs. They were scattered. You really need them to be kind of bunched together a little bit. If they're scattered, it's hard to catch them. You'll throw yourself down by the cast net. But anyways, they're going to try to catch some redfish, some trout, some whiting, whatever bites. And, I'm going to try to catch some mullet. If we catch enough of them, we'll smoke them. We'll have a catch and cook. We'll smoke mullet. And we'll show y'all how to smoke mullet. We'll fry them. Y'all just write in the comments below and let us know how y'all like to see it. Done here on the Billy Jack Fishing Show. Whoa, yeah. Alright, we'll be back after we get down here. We gotta go to the store, drop them off. They got some big old girls down there they're gonna meet. No, I'm funny. I was gonna get aroused out of it. But anyways, my youngins are crazy.
Mama, he's crazy, crazy over me.
Y'all like that song, don't you?
My life is where he says he always wants to be. I've never been so loved. He beats all I've ever seen.
I like country music, y'all. I'm country, as y'all can't tell by my accent. That's y'all, over here and under there, and all that good stuff. It's like trying to teach a new dog, or old dog do tricks. Well, I've always talked like this. I was born talking about by bow, like country accent. Anyways, we'll be back, y'all. We're gonna go down here and see what we can do with it. Alright, y'all, we're here. We're down here at this little spot that goes right here off the highway by our house. It's beach. We're pretty lucky. We got beach and we got river, fresh water all around us. And this is the net I use. It's a chain net, bag net. It's a 10, about a 9.5 footer. It's a bigger thing. Big, isn't it? Anyways, I'm gonna stand here and look for these mullets for a minute. I seen a couple jump, but I hate to get wet for nothing, so I'm just gonna sit here for a minute and kind of watch and see what I can see. That kind of looks like mullet schooling over there together, so they're like that with the cook thing. That is mullet, I think. Alright, but anyway, we'll be back. Hopefully we'll catch some mullet. Well, my camera was off. Look at her. One cast. That's a message. Big old mullet. Boy, we got the fish. Look at that. I was beginning to wonder. Then we get. We got like 6 here. Pretty good, y'all. I stood right there. I wasn't catching nothing. I wasn't thinking I was gonna catch anything. I kept seeing that one mullet jumping right here, so I figured I walked down the stand for a minute. I just used to make a bind through. That mullet flipped right there, right at me, and I threw this hard and could out there. Boy, I got him. I call it one of them. Not bad. Look at that. That's fine eating right there. 2. Three. We got 5. We got 5, y'all. 4. Yeah. Woo, yeah. We did it on the Billy Jack fishing show. Hey, that's up. We should have got us some mess to eat. I'm gonna go back out there and try to catch some more. That's pretty good. I couldn't believe it. I said one mullet. I didn't think it was gonna catch it. They was all over them. I mean, I thought it was like, oh heck yeah, we got them. But anyway, I'm gonna ease back out there in the spot and see if we can catch some more.